Yo, what's up, everybody? Using new mic, let me know if it sounds good. Liam, this one's for you. I was told that y'all want some more Golang videos, so I'm working on a talk for Open Source Summit in Vancouver in May using Golang and Vault. Figured I'd share something that was kind of weirdly not documented, but it's something that you do all the time when you're trying to handle graceful shutdowns in Go, which is listen for interrupt signals. So let's jump into it. Yeah, man, I go. Declare package main, then we're going to import some packages we're going to need. So first, let's go ahead and import the format package, because we're going to use that to display some messaging. Don't need log, thank you. GitHub, but no thank you. We need the OS signal, because that's how we're actually going to handle our signal. And we're going to use this call as well with the same thing. So close it out. Do my func main, getting funky with the func main. All right, sweet. Now the first thing I need to do is make this channel that we're going to use to receive these interrupt signals. All right, this is a channel that's just running as we are running our Golang app. Next thing I need to do is the signal.notify and pass that my channel and tell it, hey, this is what signal you're actually going to be looking for. And we're going to use the signal interrupt, which is mapped to control C. Right. Now, here's where we get into using our go func keyword. This is a go routine. So this is just something that kind of runs on its own thread. We're going to use this go func to, on receipt of this interrupt signal, pass that interrupt signal on to our signal channel. So let's go ahead. Let's say print line gracefully shutdown, because this is usually where you would handle your graceful shutdown in general, like any DB connections, all that kind of stuff. You would just go ahead and put that here. Then let's just do an OS exit, get out, and we need those two parens to actually run the function. I'll show you how to refactor this in a second. Let's just get this up and running first. Great, so we're just gonna print out, hey, press Control-C to do the interrupt and get that sig_int, and then we're just going to do this for loop to keep our program running in the meantime so that we don't have to worry about that. Okay, boom, done. Let's go ahead and run our app. We'll just do go run main.go. Nice. Press Control-C to interrupt. Boom, press Control-C, and it printed out our message, gracefully shutting down. Now let's go ahead and refactor this and just put this into its own function, and then you can see how we'd use just the go keyword without the weird go func syntax. So I'll just create a function, Control-C. I'm used to doing the snake case now, but let's just do this normal go casing since I've been messing with Rust, but all right. So we got that. Now we're going to copy our code, both our channel and our signal notify, and then what's inside our go func. We're just going to copy that up, paste that in here, copy this with our OS exit, paste that in here. Boom. Come on, bro, get the spacing right. There we go. Good job. Now let's just delete this go func, and we're still going to use the go keyword as you'll see here, but it just looks a little cleaner when you do it this way. Just go Control-C. There you go. We should have the exact same functionality at the go run main.go. Boom. Press Control-C to interrupt. We get our message back. Yeah. So this is a simple way of handling interrupts. I hope that helped. Like and subscribe, all that fun stuff. See you in the next one.